Hi, I'm Dr. Rena. I'm a specialist dentist and I want to tell you a little bit more about disclosing tablets and how to use these. And these are super helpful tools to see how well you're doing with your home care, how effective you are. So really easy to use. Got the tablet here and you can buy these in any pharmacies or supermarkets, and all you need to do, open it up, pop it in the mouth, chew it up, and then with your tongue, spread it round. Make sure you get everywhere. You can spit out the excess, and then you can use some water to rinse out the excess. Then you're ready to have a look in the mirror and see how well you're doing. So you're looking out for any colored dyed areas, so like purpley pinky areas, and that's where you've left the plaque. So is it in between, which teeth? Have a look on the inside as well, and that's going to then guide your home care routine. So now you actually do your toothbrushing, interdentals, wherever you're missing, and I would say do this like once a week. It's a really good tool to see how well you're doing.